Hello, I'm a Stake Indexing Director, and today I want to show you how to index the UK Lancashire Oldham Cemetery Registers project in FamilySearch Indexing. This project consists of handwritten ledgers, so you can see here is one page, and one thing to realize about this project is that they usually are actually consisting of 2 pages of the ledger. So you see here I'm looking at the next page, make sure next image is clicked on. So you're going to need to check on both sides to make sure that you are getting all the information for each entry. So on this particular batch that I have, the right-hand image, the right-hand page, does not contain any information that we are indexing. So it has the residence, the grave number, who performed the ceremony, and the registrar's signature, and that's all. So since we're not indexing any of that information, I'm going to close this again. But do make sure that you open up every one to see if there's perhaps the parents' names or some other information that gets indexed. Okay, so the first one, the first image in this batch, in other words, is normal, and the second image, that right-hand ledger page, is no extractable data image. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, so going back to image 1, we will now go ahead and index the parish. On this particular ledger is not given. It has the name of the cemetery that is not necessarily the same as the name of the parish, so I'm going to skip that field. The cemetery in this case is Crompton. Next, we are asked to index the name of the purchaser, and that's not given. All that I have on this ledger is the number of the burial, the date of interment, the name of the deceased, and the deceased's age. So I'm skipping over the purchaser fields. We're going to enter in the deceased's name, and I'm just going to use the ruler so you can see where I am. I'm just on the first entry here. Deceased's given name is Joseph. Surname is Halsworth. The age is 68, and do make sure you're looking at the units of the age. So this is years, that's fine. On the next entry, 5 months, I don't enter 5, I would enter 0. Okay, 9 months, again, that would be 0, 16 weeks is 0, and so on. So make sure you're looking very closely. We're entering full years here and rounding down. So the first one is 68, that's fine. The death date we do not have. We have the date of burial instead, and that is 3 September 1904. And notice that some of the later entries we're going to have ditto marks, so that's fine. That's also going to be September. Okay, so back to my original entry. Next we have the parents' names, and again, that is not given on this particular page, but it may well be on another batch that you may get, so make sure you look for that information. And that's all there is for this record, so I just go on to the next line, move it down one, and start entering the next one. Okay, so that's what this project is. It's very straightforward. Just make sure you're looking at both ledger pages and that you're not missing any of the information. That's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have fun with this project.